कॉलेजच्या विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये संभाषण.
Conversation between college students.
Hello Minu, how are you?
Fine. What about you?
Quite okay. Where are you going?
I'm going to college.
What are you studying these days?
I'm studying BA Maths Honours.
When did you join Maths Honours?
I joined last year.
Where is your new college?
It is in Delhi.
How is your college friend Ravi?
He is all right now.
Please pay my respects to him.
Yes, definitely.
Hi Minu, how are you?
Quite okay.
Didn't see you for a long time.
Yes, I was out of Delhi.
Come here and meet my friend Jaya.
Hi Jaya, good morning. Are you new here? Yes, I have joined last week only. In which college you studied? In Delhi Engineering College. What were your main subjects? My main subjects were related to software engineering. What are your hobbies, Jaya? Interior decoration, cooking, and dress designing. What type of music do you like? Classical music and good film songs. Jaya, what are your expectations from your would-be? He should be loving, caring, and understanding. What course are you doing? I have joined fashion designing course. From where are you doing this course? I am doing this from YWCA. Where is this institute? It's a very famous institute in New Delhi. How far is the institute from your house, Jaya? It's about 10 kilometers away. How much time it takes to reach? At least half an hour. Do you have a college bus? No, I have my own scooter. Oh, I did not ask about your subjects. I'm doing BA English Honours. Oh, I am surprised. Okay, bye Meenu. Bye-bye Jaya. See you again.